All right, guys. Again, this is a great little ranch right here in Harris Village. It's 4 bedrooms plus an office. Check out that Japanese maple right there. Awesome ornamental tree right out in front. Let's go inside and take a look. Very open floor plan. I think you're gonna enjoy it. Hi, it's me. Marlo just left. She's gonna get the other pictures ready. But yeah, so welcome to this open floor plan. You kind of come in, there's a dining room immediately to the right. There's plantation shutters. Notice the transom window above, giving you lots of light. Here in the dining room. Again, open to the family room. You see beyond the fireplace there is another sunroom, reading room, library. They're kind of using it as a library right now. Split floor plan, so the master's by itself over here on the left. We'll go in there in just a second. So there you see you got a nice half bath. Little coat closet there. This is the office. Again, right up front, lots of light. Plantation shutters. And this is a great space for a home office or workout room. You can kind of see how they're using it today. Neutral colors. This is Sherwin-Williams, you know the number, right? Agreeable gray, yay. It's all good. Open right there to the family room. Breakfast nook, and then you see the kitchen right around the corner there. Let's go take a look at the master. Again, nice, big, open. Went a little shade darker with the color in here on the walls. Looks fantastic. Got a nice ceiling. Lots of extra trim. So again, this is a great big bedroom for the master. Double doors on the front there. Rolls into his and her closets. Okay, so we got his, and then just across the way here, we got hers. Awesome. And then it walks right into the bathroom. Nice floors. Got a soaking tub in the middle there. His and her sinks, left and right. Got the open water closet, if you will. Big shower. And then another sink. So it's kind of a split setup there. Updated lighting. Let's run on back out here. Again, great space. Carpet was replaced in the master there in the bedrooms. The floors were redone in this house. They're a laminate. Nice. It's like a 5-inch plank. It's very awesome. So you can kind of see big and open right here for the family room. There's the dining room again. There's the kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. It's a solid surface countertop. Great stuff. Niblock does a great job. You can kind of see here in the cabinet. I'll show you here in a second. They put these rollouts in all the cabinets. So again, making your storage nice and easy. Little breakfast nook right there. Again, updated the lighting. Lots of can lights here in the kitchen. And again, there's the sink overlooking the family room and out into the library. Off the kitchen is going to be access to the garage. See, this is the garage here, 2-car. You kind of come off into the laundry room. And again, it's its own room. Got some extra shelving there and there. That's the structured wiring cabinet. Again, pretty standard for Niblock. And then behind the kitchen wall here are 3 bedrooms and another full bath. So let's go down this hall here. Again, linen closet. And this is just a spare bedroom for these folks. Great size, again, lots of light. An idea, again, there's the closet. Lots of storage. You know, we've asked these folks to get it ready, and you know what happens then? All those closets, they find out how big they really are. And this is bedroom number 3, right? Because we saw the master. This is a great room because if you look at this wall here, it's got a magnetic paint. They put that on and recorded all their travels, which I thought was kind of cool. Here's your hall bath. Again, that's a tub shower combination. 2 sinks. White cabinets. And this is bedroom number 4. Again, double closets in this one, so they go from side to side. And again, lots of space. Neutral colors, nice new carpet. Place was taken amazing, amazing care and candor. You can see outside there, we got a little patio. We'll get there in just a second. And I'll show you this amazing pergola that is currently covered, just covered with like a wisteria vine. So here's the library. Again, just off the kitchen, you can see that the fireplace is a pass-through. And obviously that niche goes through to the other side. Again, keeping it nice, open space. The shelves don't stay. They're not mounted to the wall. But again, you can see lots of ways to use this room. So let's go outside. We're gonna go out the back door here. See, they got a rain barrel there, catching the rain and using it to water the garden. The backyard is amazing because there's zero maintenance here, in that there's not any grass. It's a very natural area, and the plantings here are of a variety that are low maintenance. Nice stacked stone wall there, a little sitting area above. You can already see once these trees finish coming in, you'll effectively not have any neighbors, which is kind of cool. And here's the pergola. Check this out. It's just covered with these beautiful white flowers. I've got another video when they bloomed. But this is a great space right here. You come outside, enjoy the privacy of your backyard. Sit down, enjoy your Sunday paper, cup of coffee, conversation with your family in the shade, and it is just a great, great space. Guys, I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you want a personal tour of this home, please, please, please give me a call. I'd love to take you through it and see what your thoughts are. There's some of the gardens. There's the pergola, patio, little grilling space, gate back around the back. So fully fenced yard. Come take a look.